September 20th is the World Cleanup Day, and Amma's birthday is very nearing, just 6 days left. It's like a festival for all of us. Children are enjoying like anything and cleaning everything.
As a part of Cleanup Day Drive program, we, students of Amrita School of Pharmacy, are here cleaning our campus and roads. We are really honored to be in part of this drive.
We are celebrating, or we are taking part in this as part of our Amma's birthday celebration, Amritavarsham 72. And this is not the first year that we are doing such a cleanup drive. So the students are very active. They are doing a wonderful job.
Parents പറയാറുണ്ട് ഇങ്ങനെയുള്ള ഒരു ഡ്രൈവിന് ശേഷം കുട്ടികൾക്ക് ഉണ്ടാവുന്ന മാറ്റം വളരെയധികം ആ കോൺഷ്യസ്നെസ്സിൻ്റെ ലെവൽ വളരെയധികം ഉയർന്ന് വലിയൊരു അവരുടെ ജീവിതത്തിൽ തന്നെ ഒരു മാറ്റം വരുത്തുന്നതായിട്ട് പലപ്പോഴും മുൻപും ധാരാളം കുട്ടികളും പേരൻസും പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്.
We had a lot of fun, even though it was early in the morning, to come and participate as a group, to go around campus, collect the different kind of waste. It also gave us an idea on how we should not be littering the campus and instead should be contributing to giving back to the environment.
It's not just about cleaning something or doing a manual work, but it's more of a teamwork. That's what makes it special.
ഇപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ തന്നെ നമ്മുടെ ക്യാമ്പസ് തന്നെ ഇപ്പോൾ എനിക്ക് തോന്നുന്നൊരു 10-500ഓളം സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഇപ്പം ഇതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാവരും ഒരുമിച്ചിട്ട് രാവിലെ വന്ന് ഇവിടെ ജോയിൻ ചെയ്ത് ഇതൊക്കെ നമ്മൾ ഈ പരിസരവും കാര്യങ്ങളൊക്കെ ക്ലീൻ ചെയ്യുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും അവർക്കും നമുക്കൊരു ഇൻസ്പിറേഷൻ പോലെയാണ്.
It was a very good experience for us. It was very refreshing and a wonderful experience doing all these things. It was actually my first time doing a cleaning initiative as a part of Amrita. We wish everyone could take part in this and promote this culture throughout the India.
The initial World Cleanup Day was called by our own beloved Amma, who named it Amritavarsham. And it was from there that UNICEF and the Government of India took it up. So this is a very important day.
I'm happy that such a program is organized by this esteemed organization, which is functioning almost all over the world for the best interest of the students and the community at large. Such an organization is carrying out a cleaning program, which is not only cleaning the locality or the public places, but developing a habit in each and every one of us